Hey guys, Dr. Rob from Price here to help you move, feel, and be your best and live a healthy and active life. Today we've got another request for the best exercise you can do at your desk. A while ago we did an Instagram live with our physiotherapist Steph, which actually turned out pretty funny. So if you haven't seen that, go check that out. There's a couple bonus exercises for desk posture that I'm not going to show you today, but Steph used to do when he was in physiotherapy school. That was pretty funny. So follow us on Instagram, go check that out. Otherwise, I'm going to give you the top 3 today. When you're sitting at your desk, things tend to kind of roll forward. Shoulders roll forward, posture roll forward. The best exercises are going to help to prevent or reverse that. The classic and one of my favorites is called the Bruegger Exercise, mostly because the guy who invents the exercise gets to name it after himself. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to take your 2 thumbs, almost as if you're going to try and touch them behind your back. If I kind of turn this way, you can see, but the idea is to kind of pinch the shoulder blades together. Naturally, it's going to start to reverse and arch your low back, and it feels really good, opens up the chest. Do that for a couple seconds, take a couple deep breaths as well. My number 2 exercise for desk posture comes from world-renowned spine specialist Dr. Stuart McGill. He calls it climb the ladder. It's one of my favorites. What you're going to do is it's very easy. You're going to pretend you're climbing a ladder. And what it's going to do is it's going to stretch out the sides, it's going to mobilize your spine and get everything kind of stretched out. And it's kind of fun, looks a little bit goofy, but really, really effective. If you want to look slightly less goofy, all you're going to do is clasp your hands together and just push them towards the ceiling that way. Either way, what it's going to do is get the shoulders moving and the spine moving again, because the spine loves to move, and if it sits for too long, it gets a little bit angry at you, okay? Speaking of the spine, the last one is a mid-back mobilization. This works very effectively if your kind of chair is mid-level. If it's up to here, it's not going to work as well, but the idea is to use the chair as a bit of a fulcrum and to sort of kind of brace it and kind of push back to extend the spine, and again, reversing that sort of postural thing. If you can mobilize and get that spine moving backwards, it's going to feel amazing. You're going to be more upright, you're going to be able to breathe better, you're going to have more energy because you have more oxygen, and you'll be able to think better. All from doing these very simple exercises. Try them out, ask questions at your next visit. If you're not sure if these apply to you, ask us and we can design very specific ones that are going to work best for you in your environment. Okay? Have a great week.